Right, so hello everybody and welcome back to Chill in the UK. Today we're going to be ranking UK auditors on a brand new tier list that I created. So I created this tier list. I added all of the auditors there. Some of them haven't shown up, unfortunately, so I can't remember which ones haven't. So if there's any that you don't see in this video, let me know in the comments below and I'll add them in. But the link for this is in the description below. So if you want to go do this yourself, then you're more than welcome to. It's going to be an interesting one because the one thing that you might know about tier lists is it doesn't tell you the name of what you're clicking on, like the actual category that you're going for. So this could be quite hard because I have to try and remember who the logos are. But I think that if you have a channel that is unrecognizable, that I don't know, then you're going to have to go in the bottom tier. So I've actually changed that tier to unknown or not applicable because I don't think that I should rank you if I can't remember who you are. So that's just a lesson to all of you people out there who are watching, all of you YouTubers and people with channels. Make sure you put your name in your logo because it's just so much better. So let's start with one of the goats of UK auditing, and that is Auditing Britain. So I think a lot of people would put Auditing Britain in S tier. It would be up there right at the top. But I don't know. I actually don't know. Like, I do like Auditing Britain, but there's other ones that I would watch over Auditing Britain. So I'm actually going to put him in A, and I hope AB is not offended by this in any way. But I've got to be ruthless. I've got to be ruthless this year. Okay, so next up, oh my God, next up is my favorite auditor. And it's interesting that DJ and DJE are coming next to each other because they often get confused with each other. So DJ Audits, as you know, if you've watched my channel before, I like DJ Audits. And DJ Audits is the GOAT. He's still making absolutely banging videos for us every day. Every day he makes an amazing video. And also you've got a chance to win his keyrings or find his keyrings. So I think as an auditor, but also as a video creator, YouTuber, he is definitely the best. Like, he goes above and beyond to culminate a following. Like, he has a fan base. You know, I just think he's the best. He's the goat of auditing. So next up, we've got DJE Media, and this is another one. I think I only started watching him when I started doing these auditing videos, and I did really like him. And I actually watched a video of his this week where he went to a police training ground. But I really like his dynamic. So I'm going to put him in A tier. I don't think he's quite in S tier yet. Pocus. Now, this isn't where it gets interesting because Pocus is a great YouTuber. He makes amazing videos. He does great audits. His drone flying is amazing. I think he does night shots and day shots as well. So I really like that. But unfortunately, he doesn't post regularly enough. He's not posting regularly enough for me to put him high up the list. So unfortunately, he's going to go in B. Next up, we've got the Gypsy Auditor, someone that we've actually had on the stream and the show a few times, and is a very interesting guy, does a lot of hard work. I'd actually like to know what his plans are for 2024. So Gypsy, if you're out there, if you want to come on another stream, we can do another interview. I want to know what you're up to, mate. I'm going to put him in upper B because I don't think he's necessarily just an auditor. And in this, I am ranking auditors, and I think Gypsy would probably agree with me that he's a master of all things. And so that's why I said I'd like to see what he's up to in 2024 because he might not be audited anymore. So I'm going to put him in the middle. He's a mid tier. He's a great auditor, but I think that he's a lot more than that as well. Next up, we've got Midlands Audits. Now, Midlands Audits is a bit more of a local lad to me. I'm in Nottingham. And so I watch him quite a lot whenever he posts. I'm watching his videos. So I'm going to put him quite high. I think I'm actually going to put him above Auditing Britain. Now, I think that's going to be a bit controversial because people are going to be like, oh, above AB. How dare you? How dare you? But I do really like Midlands Audits. And the same goes for a couple more that I watch more than Auditing Britain. But I still like AB, guys. Don't get too angry in the comments, okay? Next up, we've got another absolutely amazing auditor out there. He does a lot of videos with DJ, and that is PJ. So we've got DJ and PJ. And I think because of how much I watch these guys, they're both going to go in S tier. So PJ, you've made it up to the top, my friend. Keep up there. And he did use the logo that I created for him as well. So we've got three more people that I actually really enjoy watching. So it's going to be hard to place them. And I think I'm going to have to do this on seniority alone. So I know for a fact that the Laughing Auditor has been doing this for a while. I've been watching his videos for a while. So he's definitely above the other two for me. And I think I'm going to have to go with A tier for the Laughing Auditor. I think Scorpion and Tours and More, I think you're going to be B tier for me, guys. So that is my 2024 tier list of UK auditors, UK YouTube auditors. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you agree or disagree with my rankings. You can even go and do this for yourself if you enjoy doing these kind of tier lists. If you've also got any suggestions of people for me to add, send me a message or put a comment down below and let me know what channels I should include. But I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay chill.